Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you buy or how can you add more storage to your iCloud. So this video is quite helpful and interesting for you. What you have to do, you just have to go on your setting option on your iPhone here on the home screen, click like this, and in this option you will see there is my name on the top. I will click on my name here, and the first option is iCloud, where you can see the storage is 5 GB, that is inbuilt in iPhone. I have not bought any or not purchased any type of storage till now. So what can you do and how can you buy the storage more like 50 GB and 100 GB up to 1 TB of storage in your iCloud in any Apple device? Click on iCloud here, and here you will see manage account storage here, and then the second option you can see upgrade to iCloud Plus. You will click on that option here, and then you can select your storage which you want to buy. Like there is 50 GB for 75 a month, that is INR, not your currency, and 200 GB for 219 a month, and 2 TB for 749 a month. So these are the plans. You can just click on upgrade to iCloud Plus, make a payment, and your storage will be updated. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.